Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وأنزلنا إليك الكتاب بالحق مصدقا لما بين يديه من الكتاب ومهيمنا عليه فاحكم بينهم بما أنزل الله ولا تتبع أهواءهم عما جاءك من الحق. Translation: And we have revealed to you the book with the truth, confirming what was sent before it in the previous books, and an assurance or watcher over it. So judge between them with that what Allah has revealed, and do not follow their vain desires, diverting away from truth when it has come to you. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the Torah and Injil, meaning the Bible and the Gospel, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that they both had guidance and light, meaning Nur, and whoever does not judge according to the Torah and Injil, they are kafir, meaning disbelievers, zalim, meaning transgressors, and fasiq, meaning disobedient, sinful transgressors. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we have sent Quran towards you, and it has the truth, and it confirms the previous books that came before Quran, and not only confirms the previous book, it also guards the topics of the previous book. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken the responsibility of preserving Quran himself, so nobody can ever change Quran, since it testifies about the previous books like Gospel and Injil. The Jews and Christians cannot deny Quran if they believe in the Gospel and the Bible, because these books had the predictions of Prophet Muhammad and the final book Quran. Unfortunately, Christians and Jews have lost their books, and none of the books are pure and unchanged, and they have so many additions and deletions that the original books are not available now. Quran corrects the false ideas of polytheism and corrects the ideas of shirk that has come in the Christianity and Judaism. Quran calls towards the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that was originally in the Bible and the Gospel. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that do not follow their vain desire, diverting away from truth when it has come to you. And there is an incident that the Jewish scholars came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with an idea to take him, na'uzu billah, away from Islam, and they asked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we will bring a case in front of you, and if you make a decision in our favor unjustly, we will follow you, and if we follow you, all the Jews will follow you because they consider us their leaders. Prophet Muhammad rejected this idea of making an unjust decision, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah confirming that Prophet Muhammad decision was right. So the idea of getting more and more people reverted to Islam does not allow that somebody leaves the truth and justice. Whoever wants to come in the fort of Islam, they have to understand that Islam will always go with the truth and with the justice, and will never go against the truth or against the justice. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.